Okay, folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I'm at the Youngsville, North Carolina car show. I'm gonna try to get you this Charger. There's a lot of folks up here. This is a Charge RT in 1968, one of the favorites of the Mopar crowd, and one of my favorites. It's a 444 barrel RT. Man, I love that. See if we can get a video before we get some crowd around it. This is the iconic body style that's to this day still is loved by so many people. Love those 68 taillights. Hard to beat on that, hard to beat. The flip top gas cap. All you do is just push right there and poof, pops up. Got a set of aftermarket Magnum 500 wheels. I always love the dashes in these 68 through 70 B bodies. One of the best performance design dashes in my opinion. I really like them. One of the neat things about these cars, kind of like a Mustang, you can buy about anything you want for them. You don't have to rely on having everything sent off to a restorer. This car here's got power brakes. And got that later model air conditioning system on it. Probably a vintage air or something like that maybe. Looks like it's well done though. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed that.